Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and I wanted to explain how Photos works and what to do and not to do when you're moving from an old phone to a new phone. So I've got a 7 Plus here and an iPhone 10, and maybe you're moving from one device to another. You want to give this one away or sell it or whatever you want to do. Now, if you want to move everything in one simple step, I've created a separate video on how to do that. But a lot of people get confused when it's time to wipe their old phone as to what will happen with their photos. So I wanted to try and clarify some of that. So the first thing you need to know is if you're using iCloud photo libraries, that's found in settings. Let me show you. So if you're in your settings, you're going to tap on your name at the top here. Then you'll tap on iCloud and it will show you all of your information as far as storage and what you have left. And then you have photos here. Now, if you don't have a lot of storage, you may not have this turned on. However, then you'll need to actually recover it and back it up using iTunes. But if you have iCloud photo library turned on or photo stream, this applies to both of those. So one way to remove your photos from this device, and if you want to just hand this to maybe a child, a sibling, something like that, and you don't want them to have your photos, you can just turn this off. So what happens is if you turn this off, it says, do you want to remove them from your phone or download your photos and videos? And it will stop syncing between the devices. So if you want to remove them from the phone, it won't remove anything from this phone. It will just remove them from this phone. But if you remove or if you download photos and videos, it will move everything to here, keep everything here and here, but they won't be in sync. So that's one way to handle that sort of storage of your photos. What I see so many people do is go into Photos, then they'll find one of their photos they want to delete. We'll go in here. I've got the exact same setup, same amount of photos and videos. We'll delete this one. Maybe we'll delete this photo, and then what happens is this updates and now my photo's gone. Now you can get this back a little bit if it's not deleted already in your recently deleted folder. That's found in your albums. So if you go to your albums and then recently deleted, at the top of recently deleted, you should see your photos for 29 days. So if I want to recover this, I just tap on recover, recover photo. You'll see it come back in just a moment. Now we have everything back. So this is fully in sync across all devices that have iCloud Photos turned on. So if you have it turned on here, and say an iPad or a Mac, and you delete the photos from any one of those devices, it will fully delete them from all of those devices. Now, one thing a lot of people do as well is not only that, they'll go into maybe say this one, this photo, and then they'll hit delete, and now it's permanently gone. You can't get it back from your deleted folder. So if you delete it from your deleted folder, then it's really gone and there's no recovering it. So unfortunately, I've seen a lot of people do that over and over. And what you need to do is either just turn off iCloud Photos here or fully wipe this phone. Now I have a separate video on how to do that. It's really simple and straightforward. I'll link both of them in the description, and you can just move everything. So normally when I get a new phone, if I want to wipe the old one, I move everything from here to here using the iCloud backup. Then I completely wipe the old phone and I'm good to go. So let me know if you have any other questions or any other videos where I can help clarify some things. Hopefully that helps. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and like. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.